Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can make these slippers. They're crocheting. We are using recycled cotton yarn or t-shirt yarn as Aka known. So it's super fun to make and super easy. So let's get started. So I'm using, as I said, recycled cotton yarn. You can find in different brands the same type of yarn, like hooked, paint box, or whatever yarn. You can try to use and work with many strands of yarns at once with more thinner yarn. We are doing here size 37-38 EU size, and to start with we will chain 17. On the blog you will find the pattern written in two more bigger sizes, so go check it out. It's the link is in the description below. Starting with the third stitch from the hook, we will do 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Then continue with 1 double crochet in the next 13 stitches. Basically you will do 1 double crochet in all stitches left except the last one. You will follow the same pattern for other sizes as well, only that this middle chain, these middle stitches will be a bit you'll have more stitches, like for size 39-40 you will have 14 stitches to make and 16 stitches for 41-42. The rest is the same, remaining the same. We will increase only on this part with 1 and 2 stitches for the other 2 bigger sizes. Now that we are at the last stitch, in the last stitch we will do 6 double crochet in the same stitch, so we can get around and turn on the other side of the chain, because this sole is working in rounds. I included this pattern in Crochet and Knit for Beginners, and the PDF copy is available for free. So go check my blog and you can download this pattern, purchase this pattern with no fee. I found it like a super easy and beginner friendly pattern, even if it's a bit difficult to work with this stronger yarn. We just started the row 2, and to make the round 2, no, we are on the other side of the sole, sorry, of the chain. So basically we are repeating the same pattern. After completing the 6 double crochet in the last stitch, we are doing 13 double crochet to get to the last stitch, or the first one, in which we made 3 double crochet at the beginning. Okay, so I'm trying not to talk too much and just to explain what we are doing here, but I will repeat a bit that this pattern is available for free. It's great for beginner. It's not taking too long to make this pair of slippers, so if you find it difficult to work with thicker yarn and a bigger crochet hook, maybe this is not for you, but you can try it because it's not that difficult. And it will be a great project because you will finish it fast. You'll finishing it fast, and then you'll have one finished project to be proud of. After finishing and getting to the last stitch, we will do 3 more double crochet in the last stitch, and then join with the first double crochet that we did at the beginning. We will start the second row with chain 1. Then in the first 3 stitches we will do 2 half double crochet. So in the first 3, 2 double crochet, half double crochet in each. And then we will continue with 1/2 double crochet in the next 8 stitches. So we have here 8 stitches. If you are doing it in a bigger size, you'll have here 9 and 11 stitches for 41-42 EU size. And then we will continue with 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then 2 double crochet in each of the next 10 stitches. And with these stitches we will turn on the other side of the get on the other side of the chain, and we will repeat the same number of stitches that we did on this side. As I said, you can do these slippers using many strands of yarn at once with some thinner yarn. I recommend cotton because you have to, it has to be a bit strong yarn. You can actually see on the blog that I made one pair of slipper using a fingering cotton, 6 strands of yarn, and it worked out pretty well. I'm not complaining, so you can try it if you want, and if you have some leftover yarn to use it, it's perfect. Okay, so after making 2 double crochet in the 10 stitches, we will continue with 1 double crochet in the next 3. And then we will continue with 8 half double crochet. So 8 double crochet. I just have a few more stitches. To the end of the round you will have 3 stitches left, in which we will do 2 half double crochet. So 2 half double crochet in each of the last 3 stitches. And this will be one side of the sole, because we will do 2 of them for each of the slipper, because I wanted to have a thicker sole to be actually wearable. So we will do it one more time, so you will have 4 pieces in total, 2 for each slipper, and then we will join them 2 by 2. So I'm putting this one over the other. So without cutting the yarn on the second sole that we did, we just pull the loop in front, and then in each stitch around we will do slip stitches to join the 2 pieces together. So make sure that your hook is getting into the both loops, and then make a slip stitch. And continue like this all around. If you think that you'll need the soles to be wider, You can use even single crochet to make the join. Okay, so now I get the sole of one of my slipper, and we will do the upper part of, or the bridge of our slipper. And I changed the color here, but you can use the same color. And we will chain 10 plus 1, and we will work this part only in single crochet. Now starting with the second stitch, 1 single crochet in each stitch to the end of the row. And we will repeat this row until we will have 8 rows in total. You can do as many rows as you need to get this upper part of your foot covered, and the slipper to be easy to wear and comfortable to wear. So it should be from the ends of your fingers to where your leg started, or with a few 1 centimeter lower. If you need more or less round rows, you can adjust this piece. Also, if you need it wider, you can add 1 or 2 stitches. I think that will be enough, because if we have some standard measurements for the length of our foot, we don't have for, I don't know, maybe there are for circumference, but each of us is different foot, right? You can have it wider or smaller. It's up of each of us, so it's better to just try this piece on and see if it fits correctly. Then after completing the 8 rows, we will do a round, also in single crochet, because I want it on sides to have actually stitches, not side rows, but to be easier to sew this piece with the sole. So all around we will go with 1 single crochet in each stitch and 1 single crochet in each single crochet side row. So we are going all around with single crochet. Here at the end, we will just join with a slip stitch with the first single crochet, and leave a long tail to use it for sewing this piece with the sole. Don't cut the yarn too short, because we can use it for the next step. So using a yarn needle, so you have to have a big hole to be able to insert this type of yarn through it, and we will just waving this yarn through all stitches, getting with the needle through the sole and through the bridge or upper part of the slipper. At the end, you'll just have to wave in all ends, but being this kind of yarn, to make sure that everything will stay in place, it's better to just secure the ends with some tapestry needle and a thinner yarn to sew the ends, because we don't want to I don't know, to lose those ends and to not to stay in place. So I'm weaving in this end, but preferably is to sew the ends also, just to make sure that it will stay in place and this slipper will be actually wearable. So next, all you have to do is to repeat the same pattern for the other slipper, and this was it. You have a pair of slippers made with recycled cotton, so you don't have to buy ones industrial made with, I don't know, a lot of waste. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget that the PDF copy of this pattern is available for free on all the platforms. So hope you like it, and see you next time with another interesting and fun tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.